without further ado, let me show you. Also, new car. Yes, there is a new car coming. I'm going to have a third car. Can't wait. It's a very nice car inside. Hello, this is Jake. You join me in my room today with new cabinet. That'll be coming in the next video. So, got a lot to do today, but some exciting news, some bad news, some more exciting news. But please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe right there now. So let's start with good news. The alloys have been moved, ready to go into the car because the Porsche 911 is going down for its new wheels to be fitted today. So what's happening is the old wheels coming off the Porsche, tyres are being removed, they're then being put on the new alloys, ready for when the car goes off to be wrapped, and then the video and all the pictures to come with that. So I want to get that all done. The original plan was the alloys weren't being put on until probably a week before the wrap. However, the wheels on the Porsche now were on eBay, so I thought, well, if they do sell, I can just pack them up and get them sent off, or if someone comes to pick them up. So that's the good news. Bad news is I haven't got a car because Yugo has a problem, my classic Fiat 500, which I'll go and show you all in a second. But other good news, there's a new car coming to the channel. Oh yes, new car. Long story, I'll explain everything very soon. Hopefully this week it'll be here. But yeah, new car coming to the channel. Can't wait. But let's go and talk about Yugo and what's happening today. Okay, so here we go. So like I said, the Porsche is going off just in about an hour's time actually. I'll drive it down to Perez. There's no back bumper on at the moment, which means there's no number plate. So yeah, I might just tape the plate to the crash structure there, just in case I get pulled over. It's literally 1 minute drive. However, there's been a blacked out BMW driving around undercover cop car, so yeah, I better do that just for just in case. So Yugo, we got a problem with Yugo. Now the idea was this one would be put off the road for about a month, so I can get everything sorted, and I'll just use Yugo to go up to the shops and that and drive around. But no, because of that. Now, if you don't know what that is, that's brake fluid. As a spider crawls at the front, let me open the hood. So here's its fuel tank. Originally, I thought it was fuel, but it turns out our brake master cylinder. Now, this was a replaced one about a year and a half ago, and the reason it was replaced was because is something loose there. No. Is replaced because the one that was on it was pretty much done when I bought the car. So I got that all replaced and everything. This is actually, I believe this was off a Fiat Punto or something like that. But it works anyway. Well, it did work. But down here, this one right there is, for some reason, just started leaking. And in fact, the brake fluid on the one side here is actually completely gone down now. Yesterday, that was just up to the halfway line. So yeah, not good. So I'm going to get that sorted. It's not a massive job, however, it's a job I didn't want to be doing yet. So we'll get that one done. Notice the spare wheel. Yeah, still done the side there, make sure I ain't gone. I took the spare wheel out. Yes, I had to get to this, but originally I thought maybe the rain's been coming down here on the roof, working its way down into here, and this fills up with water quite easy when it's raining. I try not to take it out in the wet, but it does fill up, and you can get this entire bottom of the front here rust out completely. And I thought maybe it was water dripping down like that, but no, turns out it's brake fluid. So yeah, the car is literally unusable at the moment. Yeah, never mind, we'll get it sorted. So that is pretty much annoying to me because we had a really nice day. Was it yesterday? No, Sunday. Watched the Grand Prix. Styron Grand Prix back at Austria, second week in a row, but it was a good race. So I watched that and I thought, oh, sunny outside, I will get Hugo out. I noticed this spot a couple days ago, but I thought it was just a small fuel leak or something, and I thought I'd just take it for a cruise around here. I pushed the car out onto the drive, and then I realised it was dripping quite fast. So I checked it out and I thought, yeah, I can't be driving that, because at any point I would have no brakes, just unsafe. So yeah, we gotta get that sorted, but it means I can bring you more content, so that's good. Also, new car. Yes, there is a new car coming. I'm gonna have a third car. Can't wait. And it's got to bring some great videos to the channel, some how-to videos as well. But yeah, I got a third car coming to the channel, open this week. If I can get a trailer sorted, which I'm hoping I can by tomorrow or the next day, the day after, there will be a new car on the channel. Now, don't get too excited. It's not replacing none of these cars here. These cars are staying. Small, probably a little bit smaller than a classic Fiat 500, but it's going to be fun and I'm looking forward to it, to bring new content to the channel. There's a great story behind it as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Something different for the channel, completely different to a Porsche 911 and a Fiat 500. It's German though, so yeah, it's going to be a great little project and I'm really looking forward to it. So that's coming in a couple of days, but we got to get ready now, get this 911 ready, get the wheels down here. They are going in my brother's Fiat Pop, which is my old Fiat Pop. So the wheels are going now, and then what I'll do, drive the Porsche down, leave it down there, there do the wheels, and I'll go back down in about a couple of hours to pick it up. No point me staying down there for 2 or 3 hours. It's down the road, my brother can bring me back up, I can sort other stuff out, get on with other stuff, and then I can go, they give me a call and I'll go back down and pick it up. So yeah, that's the plan. Okay, the Fiat Pop is now loaded up. Amazingly, they do all fit. Put the seats down, and yes, they are all in there. Before I forget, these. Now, these are, of course, our locking nuts or bolts or whatever you want to call them. Spare wheel out of Hugo. So yeah, these are, you know, boring silver. Not yet, but these will be a different colour. I'm just going to stick them on the car for now. I'm actually going to have special coloured ones for the Porsche. Okay, I haven't driven this car for 2 weeks, so I'm going to make the most of it, of our 2-minute drive to Paris. I can technically go out. Oh yes, I love that sound. Oh, gear. It's definitely louder. It's definitely louder with that back bumper off. But of course, I need a back bumper on now. The car just doesn't look right at all. So yeah, we'll get that sorted Saturday. Fire station. Over the traffic today. Wow, even on the small roads. Right, I apologise for the cattle grid about to come up. Oh. My car lights coming down here, to be honest. Ooh. Well, that was. I gotta say though, it is nice to drive. Make sure I don't crash it. It's a very nice car inside. It's almost like a spaceship. Okay, the Porsche is down Perez Avenue, wheels done. I'm back up here. I've just moved the captor. Hugo's here and new skirts. Yes, these are the new skirts for the Porsche. Much better quality than the last ones I had. So yeah. What I'm going to do, get the Porsche back and I will test fit them off camera. So in the next episode we will have a look at that and hopefully they will be being fitted. Okay, I have just picked up the Porsche and yes, the alloys are on and they look absolutely fantastic, and also the purple valves. So good. So yeah, I'm gonna be extra careful because obviously I don't want to curb them straight away, but I'm gonna take them out to the car park at Bateworth, have a good look at them. I did just make sure there was no damage done to them. They are very good there anyway, and they take extra care. But yes, they look great. I can't wait to show you. So I'll head up to car park now and we'll have a good look at them. Okay, so the wheels are done. They're on the car. They look really good. They actually do. I was a bit worried about the offset, but no, the offset is pretty damn good. It's giving the car just a little bit wider look, which is going to suit it once the skirts and rear bumper are sorted. So you've stored the rims. They're gunmetal. I also have purple valves to go with it. So without further ado, let me show you. There they are. Oh, they are looking great. I mean, it looks a little bit odd because the rear bumper's not on the car, but yeah, purple valves as well, which is nice. Obviously, they're actually coming off in a couple of days because I'm going to be doing the brake calipers up. But yeah, I mean, look at them. They will need a bit of a clean. They didn't mark them. I've checked them all over. They've done a really good job. Here's the fronts. Yeah, they've done a really good job. And again, these are my old tyres. So, I mean, they look like they're marked here, but not. It's just the greasing that they use to get them on. So I'll clean them all up and everything. I'm going to take a few pictures now. Let me just show you the other side. But yeah, I am so happy with these wheels. So what I'm going to do is in the next video we're going to have a look at how I ordered these wheels, just so if any of you out there want to get these wheels for your 911 you can, and I'll do a special video on that and everything next video, so keep a lookout for that. But yeah, I mean, I'm really happy with them. The nuts are actually going to be changed. Like I said, they will have a different colour, but for now they look fine. And of course I'll clean up the brake calipers and everything, get them all painted. But yeah, so there we go. I hope you enjoyed that. I mean, it looks great. I'm going to take a couple of pictures, like I said. I'll leave the video here though, so please remember to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. You want to see more on my Porsche 911. It honestly looks like a bumper delete, but no, the bumper's coming on it this Saturday. There'll be another video for that. But yeah, I'm super happy with these wheels. They give it just a little bit wider look, but it's not over the top. So yeah, once the bumper's done, it's going off for its wrap, and the skirts, of course. I got to do the skirts. So thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Check out all my content. There's a lot more coming on this 911. But yeah, I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.